Okay, so this video is just a short video to talk about 3 vocabulary words that you're going to need to be familiar with. So we've got postulate, an axiom, and then a theorem. Postulate and axiom, they're very similar to each other. That's why I went ahead and wrote them together. Postulates and axioms are statements of fact accepted, if I could spell, without proof. Okay, these are really important because these are our building blocks for geometry. So we need these statements in order to do anything in the field of geometry. So they are statements of fact accepted without proof. A non-geometry example would be if somebody asked you to recite the ABCs. Everyone's going to start A, B, C, D, and we don't need proof of that. So that would be an example of a postulate or axiom that's non-geometrical. But if you look in your book, it will say postulate 1-3. Okay? It's not important for you to know the numbers of the postulates or axioms. Okay? Axiom is something that sometimes comes out of a postulate, but at this point in math, we kind of use these two words interchangeably. Okay? A theorem. Okay? A theorem is a statement that requires proof. It is something that we think is true, but we aren't sure if it's true. It's something you can prove, okay? You can prove it. So for example, most of you have already heard of the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. And there is a proof that goes along with that. That is not something that you can just accept like a postulate up above, okay? It has some restrictions to it. So a theorem is a statement that requires proof.